Hello everyone. Next we are going to make two pandas, starting by making the body of the pandas by using our finger. We are going to complete them by highlighting them by making ears, nose and the eyes as well. After that we are going to draw the pattern on the body of the panda. Here we are making the first panda and then we are going to make the hands. After that we are going to make the legs as well, like you can see in the video. Then we are going to give him a blush effect at the cheeks by using red color. Then similarly we are going to make the other panda. Next we are going to make a teddy. Start by making the face and the body. We are going to highlight the face by making the ears, eyes and then we are going to make the nose and mouth as well. Then we're gonna proceed towards its body. After it's done we are going to start coloring it by using brown color shades and it is completed. Next we are going to make a monkey. Start by making the face and the body. We are going to complete it by making the ears, eyes, nose and the mouth and then completing the body by making some features and making the long tail at the end, and your cute monkey is completed. Next we are going to make a cute chick. Start by making the face and the body. We're gonna make the wings and the feathers as well. After that we are going to make the eyes and then detailing the eyes. After it's done we are going to make the beak and the legs as well, and here you go, you can color it with any color you want and it's ready.